Hi, in front of me is LG K50S, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings. Then choose Connected Devices and click on Bluetooth. Tap on the switcher to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. Then tap on the one that you want to connect to. Choose Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. If you wish to forget this connection, you can tap on this gear icon over here and tap on Pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!